Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we're going to jump into the answer for quiz 28. Okay, and the thing was cushion significancy. Okay, why is maintaining a consistent injection cushion important? Okay, if you said B, you are correct. Okay, so it ensures hydraulic pressure can continue transferring pack and hold into the cavity, okay? The reason for this is a cushion provides a reserve volume of melt ahead of the screw. If the screw bottoms out, hold pressure cannot be effective transmitted to the cavity, causing dimensional variations and sink issues. Okay, so think about that. I'm not a very good reader. I write all this stuff down from the paperwork that I have, guys, so bear with me. I'm not a very good reader when it comes to this. But think about this. If you have a cushion and it bottoms out all the time, what's that doing? If you add more material to it and it still bottoms out, what issue do you see you having? Could you have like a broken check ring? Could you have a leaking nozzle, creating a hog head? There's all kinds of variations. So think about it when you're trying to have a cushion, and you always want to have a cushion to be like a 1/4 of an inch or a 1/2 inch, sometimes a lot of people say. You always want to have that consistency of what you're talking about as far as a cushion, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys have a great weekend, a blessed weekend, and stay positive. Continue to support the channel. Comment over here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next week, have a blessed weekend, you guys. Peace.